I just finished watching, oh, hey, Billy. Oh, I just finished watching today's video footage that's going up and realized there's a couple, come here, Delilah. There's a couple confusing things in it because I forgot to explain. I introduced the new kitten, the sort of new kitten, and I talk about how similar to a kitten named Delilah she is. This is Belle. Well, this is actually Delilah. See why it's confusing? I had initially named her Belle. This is the kitten that screamed and hollered at everyone except people. Yes. But she has since been renamed Delilah for several reasons that I will get into eventually. So the kitten that I'm talking about when I am introducing this baby, when I talk about Delilah, is Belle, is who you were introduced to as Belle. But she has now been renamed Delilah. And also, the next clip after this was filmed the day before the rest of the video. So, although it's going to look like I'm introducing her and then in the next clip talking about her like she's been here a while, that's why. They were filmed on 2 separate days. So, just remember Delilah and Belle are the same kitten, and the first clip and the rest were filmed on different days. Yes. Okay. I actually turned this on to film the new baby. She's not actually a new baby. Hello. So I'm not new. I'm new to this house, but not to the community cats. She has been with another foster. She was a singleton. Yes, she was, and she's a lot like Delilah. She does not get along very well with other cats and kittens. But isn't she gorgeous? Her back legs are white socks all the way up to the knees. And then she's kind of got the split face. She's actually been here a couple days. She started out in the cage like Delilah did. But she is old enough to be adopted out, and as a matter of fact, she has her spay surgery on Friday. Today is Saturday. I don't know what today is. And so we really would like to get her acclimated to other cats and kittens, so I brought her here. Not only to socialize her, but to also free up my other foster. And she's doing quite well for having just been 2 days. She still growls and stuff, but she doesn't try to attack or anything, and she's playing. So she's doing really well. Yeah, she has acclimated faster than Delilah did, I will say that. But you can hear her. She still gets nervous. But all the big kittens are her same size, so you know, it's okay. Good morning, little tiny love muffin. Say hello. Yeah. So I'm the last little tiny, really, because my sister has got them big. Oh, hello. Look. They have not had their tunnel in a couple days because someone went potty in it. What? Who was that? Come on. Okay, I'll stand up. I'll stand up. I can't, if I sit down, it'll just be lap time. So it was disinfected and then put out in the sunshine because I don't know if you know this, but sunlight is a natural disinfectant. So I always try to, with their big toys, let the regular disinfectant dry in the sunlight. And now they have it back and they're so excited. Oh, and look, that's Becca. Look. Oh, come here, Becca. Come show everybody. Come here. Becca. Say hello. No. She's gotten so big. Hello. Hello. And this is Bible. And this is Bianca. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, but see, Becca is feeling much better. It's still too early to tell if her eye surgery worked, but she is feeling much better. I can tell you that. Oh, look. The Rebel is making biscuits. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, it is nap time almost. I was gonna film earlier, but then had some phone calls I had to take care of. Look. Hi, are you getting better? This is day, let's see, how long have you been here? It is, I think day 5, but it's the second day that I have let her out with everyone else, and she is starting to get better. She'll play with them a little bit. See? Hi, Billy. Oh, no. Hi, Billy. Where are the other ones? Let's see. There's some there, and there, and then there, and there. But you'll see, Becca is really playing. I don't know. Oh, there. There the rest of you are. But look how big the little, this is the tiny black one, but I'm not that tiny anymore. Hi. How are you? Tell everybody, say, I'll accept petting. Oops, sorry. I'll accept petting for a little while, for a minute. No, okay. Maybe not because she's trapped in a box, but she will if she's out, accept petting. Hello, Rebel. Hello. Look at those eyebrows. Okay, okay. Yeah, look at those eyebrows. Yeah. I know that also that Billy's around here somewhere. I had said Billy and Lola were also adopted, and they are. They have been adopted. They are still here. They're going together, Lola and Billy. But Lola has, you know, had the eye injury, and so we are waiting until that's 100% clear. So it'll be sometime this week, I would imagine. Hello. 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 Excuse the floor. I know. Oh, I think I say that in every video, though. Are you precious? And these babies are doing good, but the tabby has an eye cold. And it's really funny. Hello, baby. Hello, look at this. It's really funny because that's it. I mean, like, there's no other. Still eats great. Nose is great. But we're doing eye drops. And I can, like you saw, I can pet him and pick him up. So, or her. It's a her. So we've not had any problems with the medicine. I was a little nervous at first because I thought, I knew he, you know, let me pick him up and stuff, but I thought, oh, putting eye drops in. But she is really good about it. Yeah. And then this baby will allow pets, but no picking up. You get down. Look at this. Look at this. Get down. Get down. I know. It wasn't me. It was the other kitten. It was not me. Oh, I think the camera really does freak them out still. That's one of the reasons I haven't been filming them. Okay. Normally I can pet them, but the camera freaks them out. Eventually, you'll be able to see. Yes. Does the camera freak you out? Yeah. I know. I know. Just say hi to everybody then. Okay. And then last but not least of the babies are the bottle babies. And they have actually been having playtime out. I wish I should have filmed it this morning. I let them in the mornings and the afternoons before I let the other ones out, and after I put them up, I have been letting them, I don't know where the little tortie is, I bet inside the green thing. I have been letting them out, and this morning I let them stay out with the big ones for just a little bit to see how they interacted, and they did really good. Yeah. I'm gonna open this and she's gonna try to come out. No, you can't come out though. No. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, no, you stay out too. Oh, we have an escape. So, no. I gotta go get your sister. Yes, I do. Are you so precious? Oh, look at those toe beans. Yeah, I know. You're precious. You're precious. Okay, I gotta get your sister. Did you come to eat the big food? Look at that. Look how beautiful. And look, really, the bottle babies are as big as a lot. Here, come here. Say hi to everyone. The bottle babies are as big because they do so well on the bottle and eating their big food. They're as big as a lot of the big kittens. They're chunks. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Ho. Oh no, hold on. Hey, of course it's Billy. Billy, be nice because she's new. Okay, come on. She's new. She doesn't understand. Billy is hands down probably the craziest kitten I've ever had. Like, seriously. It's okay. You're all right. He just wanted to play. Yes, he did. He just wanted to play. He's not mean or anything. He's just in everything. And he would play 24/7. He would not sleep. The only thing he would play and eat. But that was okay. No one was hurt. No one. Okay. Oh, but this one, look at that. Look, there she goes. She knows I was coming. Okay, well, I just wanted everyone to see all of the kittens. And I think I got them all. But I have to get the baby, put her back. Yeah, you gotta go back. No.